There's literally people in the car in front of me and they're looking at me right now. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Isabella and today I'm doing a self-care and hygiene shopping at Target. And if you know me, you know I love Target. This is gonna be so fun. Going with my mom. It's actually pouring outside. I think I'm gonna get a razor. I have to get this. I also want to get a razor. I usually get men's razors. It's a 5-blade. Is this locked? Am I just dumb? Kat, can you just grab that? Thanks. This is my favorite body wash. The social anxiety right now is skyrocketing, but this is my favorite body wash. You left. She literally just left me. I need support in this endeavor. What? I need support in this endeavor. The Dove soaps are also good and they're affordable. I heard that cream is like really good, but the vanilla one. Ooh. So a no. This is a no. I just smelled this one. The scent is fresh and cozy and this one is better than the vanilla one. I have seen so many people use these. Most of the time people are saying it's sold out and they're not sold out here. I'm gonna get these. These are so cute. Which one should I get? I'm debating right now with my mom. These are really cute.
I'll probably get these ones.
Right? These I feel like do better stuff. So I'm getting these. I literally love this section. They always have such cute stuff. I use these when I have pimples, or these. But these literally don't do anything. This is my favorite. It's the strawberry one. So good. But I'm probably not gonna get any because I have too many at home. I've never tried the body butters. I saw people on like YouTube, they get these brushes and then they brush their body. They brush their body with it before they take a shower. It's called dry brushing and it's supposed to exfoliate and like increase circulation and blood flow. So I kind of want to try that. You have this one?
Yes, and I had this one.
This one's not like rough.
No, that's very soft.
I don't know if it's supposed to be soft.
Well, that's the only one they have here.
I think I'm gonna get it. Okay, so it's this one. It's a dry body brush. Like this is what people use for dry brushing. Look at how cute that is. That is so cute. The packaging on this stuff is so adorable. My favorite makeup remover is this. I've been wanting to try this because I want an oil cleanser, but this is what I use. What do you use for your face wash?
The one that you recommend, that one. CeraVe or something.
This one? And then my mom uses this one. Would you say it's good?
Yes.
She says it's really good, so this one's also good. I need shampoo. I use one from Redken, but it dries my hair out. I love this brand. I use this line and then also this one. I would say that's a successful trip at Target once again. One time, I kid you not, we went to Target 3 times in one day. I'm gonna do a haul of all the things I got when I get home. We have a few other places that we're gonna go to.
Actually, I want to go to Home Depot.
We have a few more places that we need to go to, and then when I get home, I will do a haul. I'm back home, and now I'm gonna give you a haul of all the things I got. I'm taking my glasses off because there's definitely a glare. I'm with my puppy. This is Lorelai. I have another dog, but I don't know where she is. Haul time. The first thing is this body brush. I got the EOS 24-hour moisture shave cream in Vanilla Bliss. I don't even know what this smells like. It smells pretty good. And then I got a razor. This is the Athena Club razor kit. So it comes with a magnetic hook for it to use in the shower so I can hold the razor, and then I get 2 of the cartridges. And this is a 5-blade razor, which I usually use men razors, but then today I was like, you know what, we're gonna try something different, and I got this one, which is 5-blade, and typically men's razors are 5-blade. And then for my body wash, I got the one that I always use. This is my favorite. It is the Method Body and Simply Nourish. That's the scent. It's such a clean smell and I love it so much. This is my go-to. And I got some body lotion. I got the EOS 24-hour moisture body lotion in Fresh and Cozy. I smelled the vanilla one, which is the one that I always see in these type of videos, or just a cream that people recommend from Target, and it smelled good, but it just wasn't my favorite type of vanilla scent. But this one smells so good. It explains the smell like morning light, dewy casis, I don't know how to say that, and sheer musk. That sounds like it smells bad, but it's not. If you ever go to Target and you see this one, you should smell it. It's so good. For shampoo, I got the Kristin signature shampoo. This is what I've been using for I think probably over a year now, and this is a holy grail product. I love this. This is my other dog. This is Piper. Say hi. Say hello. Back to what I was saying. This is a hair mask. So this is from Shea Moisture. It is a Manuka honey and Mafura oil intensive hydration hair mask with fig extract and some type of oil. I absolutely love this stuff. It is so good, so hydrating. It makes my hair smell so good. It makes my hair so soft. If you see it at your Target, you can get the little packet and try it. It's so good. And then the last thing I got were these Pixi under eye patches, the vitamin C ones. I am most likely gonna end up doing like a self-care day vlog with all this stuff. So that is everything that I got. I'm gonna show you quickly some of my other like self-care products that I love that are from Target. So I use this baby oil from Target. It's really good, really moisturizing for your body. I use this Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Body Lotion from Target as well. It's really good. The only problem is this does not work. Like, this thing is broken. And then this is also from Target. Really good. It's the Nivea cocoa butter. Okay, these two are not from Target. They're from Ulta or Sephora or from the Sol de Journal website. The 62 cream is so good, and then this is the 59. It's a brand new one. It smells so good. Like, I'm obsessed with this. I like to use these together. Lastly, I'm going to show you the sugar scrubs that I like to use. I did explain that this is the face wash that I use. They have this at Target. This is the value size. I don't really remember. I think it was like 13 bucks, and it's a pretty big bottle. So then I also use sugar scrubs from Tree Hut. So I have different ones. I have 3 of them. Cane to cane, sparkling sugar, and then Moroccan rose, which they have all year round. All of these smell really good and they work really well. So if you need some sugar scrubs, Tree Hut has some. They're like $7.99 I think at Target. They're affordable, they last a long time, and they're really good for exfoliating. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this self-care and hygiene shopping and a haul video. This was a really fun video for me to record. Like I said, I had a lot of fun. I love self-care and hygiene products, and I'm hoping to do a video with all this stuff. And if you're new, like this video and subscribe. And yeah, thank you for watching this video if you did, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!